safe. And nobody pray to yourself, just pray to the Almighty. You see it go nine west, I'm not glad you figure langs up there.
So you say prepare your everything.
No, you see me now right now, you come home and go by Sugar Man Hotel, you know.
Oh, over the Sugar Man Hotel.
I'm not just if I tree there.
Yeah.
And I stay, because I stand with tree come and I'm stay here. But you can't 5 days.
Yeah.
So I'm here to cut back to 4, but some don't know how to go and be later on. Man, tell the people, just pray to the Almighty, yeah? And about that panic on yourself. Yeah, blessing to you.
Alright, my people, see we're at El Beach and even the dog. How are it? See the police people, police up on the ground, so right through, you can see in the stand further down on the scene. Still at El people, see what's happening. Where's that cleaner coming? Yes, cleaner up on the ground. Hello there, them always. I see the cleaner up on the ground, so we're active. We're active, we're there the right. Elsha Heights, my people. Alright. Where's the? Oh, well, one of them under one umbrella in RJR communication. Alright. Hold on, one quick run cross before the water come back. I will actually beat that. Alright, my people, so I'm gonna see what I go on now. Alright, this is what is happening. People, as you can see, Melissa is on the ground. Melissa is here. Everyone, please like, share, subscribe on videos. Help our videos to go very far. Help our channel to go very far. Water is dashing from every angle. Alright, water. Just trying to show you guys what's happening here in Melissa right now, in Jamaica, Elsha to be specific. Pretty wild. the videos. Everybody was planning on coming to Elsa today. Please do not. It's a run cross. Whoa. Alright, this shit is actually crazy. Another way. Let's try another route. Anyone familiar with Elsa? Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna deeper into the woods for you, my people. Stay tuned. Everyone, please. Alright, this is Elsha Beach, my people. See, the water is getting wicked, it's getting wild right now. Right on the edge of the beach. Right on the edge of the beach. Just met with someone a while ago, and you can see it's crazy, my people. It's crazy. Seems like he's the one out here right now. Let me just take you along, show you what the sea is looking like. These guys are crazy, they're just crazy. Trying to get some from my people. See what's happening? Everyone, I'm asking you please to like, share, subscribe on this video. Let's go. Alright, the wind is getting really crazy now. I feel like I'm being blown out.
My people, Elsa is getting really crazy now, and I think it's time for I'm literally being blown away. Literally being blown away. Alright, and it's safe to say, Melanie officially here. Melanie here.
Don't know if you can hear. It's crazy. See the tunnel. Perfect shot. Need a big spot.